Digital empowerment. In this, we have to know about the introduction of digital empowerment, DigiLocker BHIM, the UPI application. So, continuing on the introduction of Digital India, is a campaign launched by the government of India in order to ensure that the government services are made available to the every citizen of India electronically by improved online infrastructure, by increasing internet connectivity, or making the country digital empowerment in the field of technology. The main initiatives that includes the plan to connect rural areas with the high speed internet networks. It consists of three core components. First is the development of secure and stable digital infrastructure, and second is developing government service digitally, and third the universal digital library. So continuing, second, DigiLocker is the service launched by the government of India in February 2015 to provide a secure, dedicated personal electronic storing documents of resident Indian citizens. The storage space is maximum 1 GB, is linked to the Aadhaar number of the user. The space of the utilized or storing personal documents like university certificates, PAN cards, voter ID cards, and etc. Its objectives are to minimize the use of physical documents, ensure authenticating and the e-documents, and terribly eliminating the usage of fake documents, and make it easy to residents to receive services anytime, anywhere, and access to the documents. Enable e-signing is the documents and make them available electronically and online everywhere. DigiLocker drives and its advantages of DigiLocker is to reduce fraud, corruption free India, anytime, anywhere access e-sign. And its two disadvantages also for DigiLocker, that DigiLocker can key access only if you have Aadhaar card. Registration is only possible through the mobile number or email linked to the Aadhaar database. The key features of DigiLocker is the DigiLocker of each resident in linked to the Aadhaar number, like 110 MB of free space in the locker to secure store resident documents, and the facility to upload e-document in standard XML format in the DigiLocker. Secure access to the repository or in DigiLocker. It conclusion that DigiLocker is the system is used to store personal document in secure and safe mode. Also, it can access anytime, anywhere for you. And third, BHIM, Bharat Interface of Money, mobile app developed by National Payments Corporation of India, based on Unified Payment Interface UPI, launched in New Delhi on 30 December 2016. Why it is launched? Because after demonetization, public has to face many problems by transactions of money. BHMI app was launched for same allows the user instantly transfer money between the bank accounts or two parties. It is built over the intermediate payment services infrastructures, and there are some benefits of BHMI like allows user to send and receive money to other UPI payment addresses or scanning QR code or amount numbers. Second is allows user to check current balance in the bank account and to choose which bank account use for conducting transaction. Users can create their own QR code and for fixed amount of money, which are helpful in merchant, seller, buyer transaction on daily basis shop, journal store. And there are some uses how to use BHMI. There are some pictures all to access. They could choose language, and there are many systems like our enter our passcode, then our state of bank, HDFC. There are many things we can use. There are also we can set up our UPI pin and change our UPI pin after day to day basis. And if we have to send the money, we have to put our number, amount, or you can also generate our QR code for request payment. To generate QR code, you have to only enter amount or remarks, or the prayer would scan this QR code and accept the payment. Second, sending money like QR code, making my QR code, sending money, and this will happen too easily and very fairly for a payer to pay us easily. So, and there are some limitations also of VHMI. You can only add only one bank account at a time. You can have only virtual payments address. The first would you default containing your mobile number, while you can set the second VPI. These may be the limitation to a few people, but such limitation makes the app similar. And there are improvements required, like it should be given flexibility to enlist multiple bank accounts. The app should fetch the mobile number from the contacts of the phone. The PhonePe apps uses this feature. However, once you save a number for future use, it would appear in the BHMI app itself. There should be appear to capture QR code when it's shared with you. You can scan such QR code like different only. There are some three topics like digital empowerment, DigiLocker, and BHMI in this particular video, and so on. Thank you for this video. For if you get some information, like, share, and subscribe.